Replacing the windows on your home can be a big deal. You want something that not only looks great, but is energy efficient and can stand the test of time. That's where AAMA Windows and Exteriors comes in. Their Builder Showcase is window and door expert. And joining me is owner Abby Binder. Hi, Abby.
Hi.
Abby, let's start off by talking about energy efficiency, which is really important, especially in our climate.
Absolutely. So we offer two different types of windows. We offer a double pane and our signature triple pane. And those come in two different types of gases. So we have our argon gas package, and then we also have our krypton gas, which a lot of people refer to as our Superman gas.
In the Midwest, many people experience condensation issues. What causes that, and what problems does it signify?
Condensation is actually humidity in your house. So when it's colder on the outside and warmer on the inside of your home in the winter, condensation will form. So by having our triple pane windows, we can actually reduce the amount of condensation that you're witnessing on your windows.
Correct installation must also be critical to prevent issues down the road.
Yes, so at AAMA Windows and Exteriors, we actually have 10 different ways to install a window because we want to make sure that it's installed properly, and every home is different.
And you also offer a terrific warranty package for your customers.
We do. We offer a lifetime warranty on everything, including glass, parts, and labor. So even if somebody throws a baseball through your window, it's covered.
Well, that's terrific. Thanks so much, Abby.
Thank you.
To get started with your exterior project, give AAMA Windows and Exteriors a call today at 414-436-ABBY. That's 414-436-2229. Or visit abbywindows.com.
Windows for a quick, honest job, it's the place you should go.